Introduction to Dockets for students in the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. When a lawsuit or appeal is filed in a court, the court assigns a docket number to that case, which is used to organize all filings and actions in that case. Dockets provide information about cases both pending and decided. Newer dockets are available online, but older dockets can sometimes be obtained through court libraries or archives. A docket sheet provides a summary of proceedings in that case, including a dated listing of all activities and papers filed, like this docket from the Google's Books case in the U.S. Supreme Court. Docket searches, like those from this online search of public case information from the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court and the Massachusetts Appeals Court, can be used to find lawsuits involving particular individuals or companies. Cases can be searched by parties, docket number, attorney appearance, lower court judge, and lower court. You can also link to dockets from the court calendars. Dockets help you follow an ongoing case, letting you know everything that is going on in that lawsuit as the case develops. Dockets provide access to the actual text of complaints, answers, motions, briefs, and other court filings. Pleadings and briefs can help you identify potential arguments or causes of action. They can also be good examples to assist in your own legal writing. Some electronic dockets, like this recent docket from the U.S. Supreme Court, link directly to the documents connected to this docket. Recent dockets from the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court, from the case docket public information page, link to PDFs of the briefs filed in that case. PACER, Public Access to Court Electronic Records, is a service of the United States Judiciary that allows users to obtain case and docket information from federal appellate, district, and bankruptcy courts via the Internet. Each court maintains its own databases with case information. Because PACER database systems are maintained within each court, each jurisdiction will have a different URL, and the format and content of the information may differ slightly, as do the dates of coverage. The PACER Case Locator is a national index to case dockets on PACER. PACER is a pay-as-you-go resource, and while fees are modest, the sheer volume of information can make some PACER results very expensive. Legal research vendors like Westlaw, Lexis, and Bloomberg Law get docket information and some pleadings from PACER to make available to their users, often in a more user-friendly form. On Westlaw, access dockets and related pleadings from the Filings tab when viewing a case. Dockets on Lexis are available through an add-on service called CourtLink. Access CourtLink through the product picker in the upper left-hand corner of your Lexis screen. This takes you to the CourtLink Dockets search page. You can also link to briefs, pleadings, motions, and dockets using the Filing tab when viewing a case. While other documents are viewable in Lexis Plus, linking to a docket takes you to CourtLink if your organization subscribes to CourtLink. Here at BC Law, we recommend going to Bloomberg Law first for dockets, as at this time, they have the most robust collection. General information on reported cases contains links to dockets that are on Bloomberg Law, making them very easy to retrieve. Following the docket information and the listing of parties and their attorneys are the docket entries. Once a document listed on the docket is requested by any Bloomberg Law user, the document is available to be viewed at no charge by any other Bloomberg Law user. And just as the opinion links to its docket on Bloomberg Law, the docket links to judicial opinions on Bloomberg Law related to that docket. Bloomberg Law provides each student a very generous allowance for docket update and retrieval and will not process a request that would result in a charge to you or the school.